Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set up iPhone to send text messages at a certain time. This tutorial helps you send messages on time, even if you forget, by automatically sending them at a scheduled time. And here are the clear steps to set up your iPhone to send text messages at a certain time using the Shortcuts app. First is to unlock your iPhone and open the Shortcuts app. Tap the automation at the bottom. Tap create personal automation or new automation. Choose time of day, then choose the time you want the message to send. Pick daily, weekly, monthly. If you choose monthly, choose the starting month, date, and year. You can also choose run immediately or run after confirmation. Then tap the next button. Tap add action or create a new shortcut. Search for or select send message on the given option below. Tap message and type your text. Tap recipients and choose a contact, then hit the check button. Tap next or check button. Your message will now be sent automatically. Important notes: your iPhone must be powered on at the scheduled time. Requires the Shortcuts app pre-installed on your iPhone. Works for a message and the SMS. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.